What's good, YouTube? What's up, Sneaker World? It's your guy, JU12, aka Bubba, back with another quick review. And today, guys, I'll be giving you guys a quick review of the New Balance 574, aka Black Panthers. And as always, guys, before we get started with this review, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy. And also, guys, continue to comment on the channel and subscribe to the channel. I'm gaining people each day. It's a small channel, but we'll continue to grow. And I appreciate all the love and support of the people that's rocking with me, that's commenting. I'm definitely going to comment back to you guys, but I'm definitely going to bring you more hot and dope reviews. So continue to stick with me, man, and let's get into these Black Panthers, aka New Balance 574s. Just a quick little history on them. These actually dropped. There was two specific dates, and you have February 9th, they released a release on Jimmy Jazz, and on February 16th, they released, so it was only two different sites, but New Balance and Jimmy Jazz, but on New Balance, they released on the 16th. These retailed at $130 when they came out, and jumping back to the movie, I just wanted to give shouts out to Marvel and the director, and just from that cast, from Chadwick on down, Michael B. Man, shout out to you guys for making that's just a dope movie. Everything about the movie was amazing, and you guys just killed it on there. So man, just want to salute you guys from everybody. Lapita, I can't name everybody, but dope movie, awesome. If you hadn't seen it, definitely go and check that out. And pay attention to all the details throughout that movie. There's a lot of life lessons, a lot of things dealing with a heritage and your heritage, man. Just continue to just go and support. I mean, from buying toys, from poster, just whatever you can support that movie, go out and do it. Back to these dope shoes. I just had to definitely get that out there, man. It's just an amazing movie. But shout out to you guys. But these are the New Balance 574 Black Panthers. The inspiration for these, I'm gonna let you guys just kind of get a 360 of them, where you can see just from the 3M lacing, and as you see though, you see that paint there on the shoes, got like that kind of metallic finish on it. Well, they get the inspiration for those who hadn't seen it, but those who know, have seen the movie and know the comic. Well, his suit, the vibranium suit that lights up, that is where you see that all right through here. That is supposed to be the vibranium. This is supposed to be the suit. And that's where the inspiration comes from with this finish here on the toe box. And it's all throughout the shoe, which is, as you can see on my camera, you're getting that 3M. It lights up. It's just definitely like his suit. So awesome idea. Just dope, man. Salute to you guys on the collaboration. And just break the shoe down for you. You got your Marvel here on your tag. 3M lacing throughout the shoe. On the inside, this is some of my favorite parts. You got your Marvel right over there. Marvel right there on the insole. And that's the bottom of your shoe there. This shoe, you got your Black Panther symbol. And on the back, you have the Wakanda tag right there. So definitely just shout out to you guys with that, man. Just mad dope on creating these. There's your box there, and you have your Marvel right there. Do this here, and there's your paper there. So with that, guys, that was a quick review. This is JU12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files, man. Wakanda forever. Lego.